When you search for mini PCs, everything looks the same. Same small boxes, same claims about being powerful and compact. But if you're actually thinking about replacing your bulky desktop, you need to know what really matters, not just what looks good on paper. Let's break down the real reasons this switch might be worth it. Product number 1, KAMRUI Pinova P1. First up, the KAMRUI Pinova P1. This little guy caught my eye because it packs an AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 256 GB SSD, all for under $270. It's not the flashiest name, but with over 1,000 sold last month, clearly people are paying attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ryzen 4300U is a quad-core processor that handles multitasking surprisingly well. You can run Zoom, Chrome with 10+ tabs, and a spreadsheet all at once without lag. Plus, it supports triple 4K displays. So if you're working from home or managing multiple projects, you get that desktop-level screen real estate without the tower. The USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet mean you're covered for almost any setup. It's built for business, education, or home use, and it actually delivers. Now, some people might complain about the 256 GB SSD. It's not huge. If you're storing lots of videos or games, you'll fill it up fast. Here's the thing though, for office work, streaming, or light photo editing, it's more than enough. And since it has an M2 slot, you can upgrade it later if needed. It's not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, compact work machine for emails, documents, and video calls. Skip this one if you're doing heavy video editing or gaming. For the price, it's a solid value. Product number 2, GM K-Tech NUCbox G3S N95. Next, the GM K-Tech NUCbox G3S with the Intel N95 processor. Priced at $224.99, it's one of the most affordable options here, and over 500 people bought it last month. What stands out is the 512 GB SSD and dual 4K HDMI, great for a clean dual monitor setup. Here's why this matters for you. The N95 might not sound powerful, but at 3.4 GHz turbo, it beats older N100 models and handles everyday tasks smoothly. You can stream 4K video, browse, and even run lightweight apps like Proxmox for home labs. The 3 USB 3.2 ports mean you can plug in a keyboard, mouse, and external drive without dongles. Now the downside, the N95 is an entry-level chip. It struggles with anything CPU-heavy like video rendering or gaming. Some users also mention the fan can get a bit noisy under load. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing office work, browsing, or media playback, you'll never notice. It's not built for power users, but for casual use, it's more than capable. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-frills machine for home or office. Skip this one if you need serious processing power. For under $230, it's a steal. Product number 3, GM K-Tech G3S Intel N95. Wait, another GM K-Tech G3S? Yes, but this one's slightly different. Same N95 processor, same $224.99 price, but this version emphasizes the VESA mount and Proxmox support. Over 400 sold last month, and it's clear people are using this for more than just basic tasks. Here's why this matters for you. The VESA mount lets you attach it directly to the back of your monitor, saving desk space and creating a truly all-in-one setup. The dual 4K display support means you can run a clean workstation with 2 screens. And Proxmox compatibility, that's a big deal if you're into virtualization or running home servers. You can host a media server, firewall, or even a personal cloud, all from this tiny box. Now the flaw, the N95 still isn't a powerhouse. If you're running multiple VMs or heavy workloads, it'll slow down. Some users also report that the Wi-Fi 5.6 can feel limiting in crowded networks. Here's the thing though, for light server use or a home office, it's more than enough. And the Ethernet port ensures wired connections stay fast and stable. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want a compact, mountable machine for work or tinkering. Skip this one if you need raw performance. It's a niche pick, but for the right person, it's gold. Product number 4, KAMRUI Pinova P2. Now, if the P1 was good, the KAMRUI Panova P2 is the upgraded version. At $329.99, it jumps to a 1TB SSD and keeps the Ryzen 4300U, but now with triple 4K output via HDMI Type-C and DisplayPort. Only 200 sold last month, but that's likely because it's newer. Here's why this matters for you. The 1TB SSD means you can store projects, media, and backups without worrying about space. The triple 4K support is a game changer if you're using 3 monitors, great for trading, design, or coding. The mix of ports means you can connect older and newer displays without adapters. It's built for professionals who need reliability and expansion. Now the downside, it's $60 more than the P1 and the processor is the same. So you're paying mostly for the extra storage and ports. Some might say that's not worth it. Here's the thing though, if you need that space and connectivity, it absolutely is. It's not an upgrade for everyone, but for power users, it makes sense. This is perfect for you if you're running a multi-monitor setup or need lots of local storage. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a premium mini PC with a premium price. Product number 5, KAMRUI Panova P1 Ryzen 3250U. Finally, another version of the KAMRUI Panova P1, but this one uses the older Ryzen 3250U and bumps storage to 512 GB for $239.99. Only 100 sold last month, but it's a budget alternative. If you want a mini PC under $250 with decent storage, this might be your pick. But for basic tasks, web browsing, office apps, streaming, it's fine. The 512 GB SSD gives you more room than the base P1, which is nice if you keep files locally. It still supports triple 4K, so your display setup won't suffer. Now the flaw, the 3250U shows its age. It struggles with multitasking and can lag when too many apps are open. Some users also note it runs warmer than newer chips. Here's the thing though, if you're only doing light work, it's functional. But if you can spend a little more, the 4300U versions are noticeably better. This is perfect for you if you need a cheap, simple machine for basic tasks. Skip this one if you multitask often. It's okay for the price, but not the best value. So which one should you pick? The KAMRUI P1 4300U is the best all-around value. The GM K-Tech G3S N95 wins for budget and server use. The P2 is ideal if you need more storage and ports. And the older P1 models only if you're on a tight budget. Mini PCs aren't just smaller, they're smarter, quieter, and often cheaper than desktops. If you're tired of clutter and wasted space, it might be time to make the switch.